Hello and welcome. This is an amazing design video by Shelter Mode. Stay tuned to find out more about this shipping container home designed using 10 40-foot shipping containers. Welcome back. On the design concept, this amazing house is designed using 10 40-foot shipping containers. On the ground floor level, the design comprises of 4 40-foot shipping containers joined together with a common staircase in an L-shaped format and a precast concrete garage on the either end to form an entrance porch enclosing a private courtyard. The remaining 6 shipping containers are accommodated on the first floor level of the building. The last pair of containers above the precast concrete garage accommodates a private guest ensuite that can be used as an Airbnb rental. What are the salient features accommodated in this amazing design? On the front elevation, a big open space in between the precast concrete garage and the 2 shipping containers accommodate a double swing main entrance door, and the remaining space accommodates a single flight staircase to the private guest apartment. The main entrance leads to an open corridor that joins the living quarters and the family areas of the house. The living room accommodates a big lounge area that can seat up to 10 people at a go. Next to the lounge area is a big dining space that can also comfortably seat 10. From the living quarters, there is a big folding glass door that links to the private family room that accommodates a big L-shaped kitchen that befits a big family size. The kitchen has a sizable center island that can serve as a breakfast table for 3. Next to the kitchen is a private family area that a family can use to retreat and watch TV or have intimate family conversations. At the corner of the 2 pairs of containers, we have a glazed concrete staircase linking the 2 levels of the house. On the first floor level, we have the private areas of the house. 1 pair of containers accommodates 2 ensuite bedrooms linked by a long corridor fronting the open courtyard. Next to the bedrooms is a spacious laundry area that serves the entire house. On the farthest end is a pair of shipping containers exclusively accommodating the master ensuite. The master bedroom accommodates a big bed space. There is a space that can comfortably fit a mini lounge, all fronting a private indoor balcony area. There is a big walk-in closet and a master bathroom with a freestanding bathtub, a shower cubicle, a vanity, and a toilet. All these spaces are well lit with full-height sliding glass doors that can swing open to permit cross-ventilation and allow for maximum daylighting, filling the spaces with the much-needed daylight. The sliding glass doors can swing open to permit visual access between the open courtyard below and all the habitable spaces on the first floor level. The remaining pair of shipping containers fronting the house accommodates a private guest suite that can comfortably serve as an Airbnb apartment. The apartment accommodates an open living space with a queen-sized bed, a sizable living area, a single-wall kitchen, and a sizable bathroom. There's also enough closet space and a reading cum dressing table next to the bed area. This amazing design allows the homeowner to sublet this guest wing to earn some extra income when necessary. The remaining space in this last pair of containers can be used as a home office, which serves as a good buffer between the private wing and the public wing of the house. To infuse some design flair on the entire project, the veranda space is covered with a canvas roof to make it feel a bit lighter, helping to reduce the industrial aesthetic throughout the design. The veranda can also be covered using glass or any other solid material that you deem fit. The courtyard provides an introverted design that allows private living with everything oriented around the courtyard space. Since this is a shipping container design, you are encouraged to observe good design principles to enhance maximum daylighting, good insulation for thermal comfort, and a mix of industrial and modern aesthetics on the interior and exterior design. We provided ample outdoor living spaces on every level, with amazing indoor balconies for the master bedroom and the living room respectively. You are also encouraged to explore an option of using the rooftop as a family deck, or you can have it covered with a green roof. Which part of this design appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comments section below. If you like this video, as usual, you are encouraged to subscribe to these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.